everybody, welcome back to my habitat. I'm Andrew Beauchamp. Today we're going to be sowing enough seeds for 60 pepper plants, which is just insane. In order to attempt to try to fill this rack, we want it completely filled with veg. With the price of food going up, me and Dan have decided this year we're really going to focus on growing more veg, which means we're going to be expanding the garden at my dad's place, which we did the first year, this year, where we grew all those tomatoes. We're going to be expanding that, making it even bigger. And last year we totally reached our goal of canning enough tomatoes to, bring them in, and we're still eating those. Those are great. But next winter, I want to can enough peppers so I can also have enough canned peppers to do recipes and a bunch of fun stuff with. So that is one of my goals this year, which means I need to start planning out that area. So you're gonna be seeing that in a video coming very, very soon, probably within the next week or two, of me planning out and going about planning out a garden. So look forward to that video. It's gonna be coming up. It's gonna be sweet and exciting, but till then, let's plant these peppers. I've already filled all of my cells, filled with pre-moistened soil. Now I'll run over that again. You want enough water that whenever you squeeze the soil, there's only a little bit of water that comes out. You do not want it dripping with water. First up, Craig's Grand Jalapeno. Not sure who Craig is, but these peppers are supposed to be large and very flavorful. I'm gonna be doing 2 trays of these, and actually I'm gonna be doing 2 trays of every type of pepper. That's 12 plants of each. Also, really fun fact about jalapenos. Do you guys know that they're actually the only chili pepper to have gone to space? Yeah. Little fact for you guys. I'm going to be planting 2 peppers per cell. 2 seeds per cell. I have just a little skewer with a piece of paper to tag them. Let's move on to the next ones. Next one, SHISHITO peppers. So excited for these. Me and Daniel had these at a restaurant a few years ago, and we've been wanting to grow them ever since. You really simply just throw the green SHISHITO peppers in a pan. You don't wait for them to color up. Cook them, char them a little, and then you can dip them in like a garlic aioli, and they are delicious. So I can't wait to eat these. Next up, California Wonder. This is your classic big bell pepper that turns red if you let it ripen, but will usually pick green and eat fresh. This plant's also known for having high yields. Next up, Yellow Monster. Now I'll read the back of this. Behemoth yellow bell peppers can grow 8 inches long by 4 inches wide. Impressive sunshine yellow fruits. Jimmy Nardello's, probably one of my favorite peppers that I have actually grown, because I have grown these in the past. Really beautiful fruits. Very fruity flavor, with a slight, almost like they should be spicy, but they're not. Delicious, delicious pepper. Just finishing these up by giving them a good spray, making sure they're really moist. Now I don't have to do this too heavily because this is already pre-moistened soil, but it's always a good idea when you're starting seeds to keep them moist. And ideally you would put a cover on these just to keep in the humidity. I don't have that yet, but I'm probably gonna put on some saran wrap over top just to keep a little tent in. It really just makes your job easier. Now to help these germinate, I'm gonna actually put them on top of a heat mat. It's not necessary, but it does help a lot. I'm just gonna lay these right on top of the heat mat. And I also am gonna put in a thermometer in the soil just so I can monitor how warm everything is. So this is officially kicking off the 2023 seed starting season. I love this. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay planting.